Now I'm going to turn my little controller on. Oh, I barely see it. I need to bend it down a bit. Okay. That'll almost show up. Okay, for those people who are watching this video, and my dear friend Sweet Bree is on the phone with me. Bree, say hi. Bree?
Oh, hello.
Okay, that's so they can hear that you're on the phone.
Yep.
All right. So we're going on the maiden flight of one of these battling drones. If I can get it back airborne again. There, I got it. Propellers are moving. Now I'm hitting the takeoff button. And it's taking off. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Too much fun. It landed in the box. Okay, we'll try this again. Attempt number 2. Okay, propellers are moving. Taking off now. Whoa, 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 whoa. And it's stuck on the side of the box again. All right. Moving my takeoff pad out a little further away from the box. Okay, propellers are moving and taking off now. And we're flying now. Hey, this is pretty cool. It's a drone, and it's flying. We'll come a little closer to the camera, if I can. Oh, it wants to, there, I'm getting close to the camera. Alright, apparently this thing's supposed to do tricks. Let's give it a little more elevation. There. Well, I don't know what kind of tricks it's supposed to do, but we're going to try something with it. No, didn't want to do anything. Okay, this is pretty cool though. It's flying. Uh-oh, I'm flashing. What does that mean?
Oh no.
Does that mean my battery's going to die and I'm going to crash?
I don't know.
I'm going to fly a little lower.
Batteries in there. How could they die?
Well, I don't know. It might have not been charged.
Oh, batteries you have to charge?
Yeah, probably. Okay, well, this isn't too bad. Okay, this is the first time ever flying a quadcopter too, so I think I'm doing not bad.
Yeah, you're going to crash and make it go into the next door neighbor's wall.
No, I won't do that. Whoa, we're really up high now. I still don't know how to do tricks. Ah, okay, it's flying. We'll see if we can get it to sit still. I'm trying to set up the trim on this thing. It doesn't work.
No.
No, either that or I'm going to have to read the darn instructions. It's a good thing I got two of these in case I break one. Oh, I crashed on top of the other one, but I'm still going. Oh, there, I crashed. No, it doesn't want to take off. I think the battery's too dead. Well, that's the first video for that. We'll shut off the camera and we'll edit it later. Pretty cool. Lots of fun.